screen cleaning, our screen repair today, and we're going to cut this screen to size by measuring it out. Hopefully it can go pretty quickly. All we have to do is measure the screen, and all those who get the screen replacement or repair done by us, you can do it customized, each one to fit your exact windows. So all we do is measure it out, and once it's measured, we cut it to size. You don't want to cut it too big, too small. It'll be too short or too tight for the window. And once that's taken care of, we get started.